Today our aim is to carry out the calibration of absorbance scale of UV spectrophotometer. For this we need 0.05 molar sulfuric acid solution, and we are preparing 0.05 molar sulfuric acid solution. And this solution is prepared in the volumetric flask. We are preparing 0.05 molar sulfuric acid solution up to 100 ml. For this we need 60 milligram potassium dichromate solution. So we are weighing now potassium dichromate 60 milligram. First of all we are setting the zero error scale, and after that when it is set to 0, then weighing will be started. It is set to 0, then we are starting weighing. After putting butter paper, again 0 is set. चलो कोई नहीं. After weighing, we transferred the salt of potassium dichromate in a beaker and then making it solubilized in 0.05 molar sulfuric acid, and the final solution will be made in volumetric flask. When salt is completely dissolved, then it is transferred to the volumetric flask, 100 ml volumetric flask. And then solution is made up to 100 ml with 0.05 molar sulfuric acid, which was made earlier. This is the solution of potassium dichromate is made 100 ml. This is our final solution. Then we will take the readings of this solution at 4 wavelengths, that is 2 lambda minimum wavelengths and 2 lambda maximum wavelength. and the reference for this experiment will be 0.05 molar sulfuric acid. This is the UV spectrophotometer. The 2 lambda minimums are 235 and 330 nanometers, and 2 lambda maximum wavelengths are 257 and 350 nanometer. We have to take the readings at these 4 wavelengths. So now we are taking the reading of blank. We'll keep the cuvettes here. First we will keep for blank reading, which is our 0.05 molar sulfuric acid solution. This is the reference or standard solution. We will first check the baseline correction, and after that we will take the readings of the test sample. So keeping for the blank solution, this is for baseline correction. So this is the reading for the test sample, which is our potassium dichromate solution in 0.5 molar sulfuric acid at 4 different wavelengths: 235, 257, 313 and 350 nanometers. So here we will take the test sample readings. So here the readings are coming.